Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Hari ini kita akan terbang dari Jakarta ke Lombok Praya. Dan saat ini kita sedang ada di stand number Charlie 13 di pesawat Airbus Indonesia berapa kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo. Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, ayo kita mulai. Cockpit, kita masuk cockpit, kondisi cold and dark. Batteries on. We request the ground power. Sembari kita menunggu ground crew nancepin ground power, kita coba cek aircraft log guys. Okay, so power is available.
Autopilot. Autopilot.
Power set.
PA and emergency light test.
Emergency lights okay.
Okay, emergency lights okay. Set to arm. Safety inspections. Get run levels down. Power's idle. Selector set. Shook it off. Flaps up retracted. Speed brakes stowed. All good. Check cargo suppression system. Okay, it's good. Flight recorder check. Hold 5 seconds. Okay, it's good. Okay, sekarang kita coba cek flight plan kita. Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo GL 0 Vivapan AV567 dari Jakarta ke Lombok Praya, alternate Muskava Delta Denpasar MD83 15 Januari. Vouchers gonna be 10:20. It's around 20 minutes from now if we can make it. Itu Oscar Charlie Romeo. Alright. CR or WIII cycle 33. We request the weekly check. Balance. No. All fuel is gonna be 18,000 for the center. So fuel on board is 20,300. 877 122 BOP, so it's going to be 61 and 61. Right. We'll check our fuel planning first. refill. Trip 12,000, fuel 19.6. We lift off 20 minutes of extra fuel, so takeoff fuel is going to be 22,000. So block fuel is going to be 22,841. So just round it to 23,000 for now. Let's start our preparations. Reset generator. Powers on. Select check.
Headwind, shear, headwind, shear, headwind, shear.
Light
Tailwind,
slope.
shear, tailwind, shear,
Pull up.
tailwind, shear.
Terrain. Terrain. Pull up.
Alright. Start this.
Stall. Stall.
Let's put this.
Overspeed. Overspeed.
Let's get check. Okay, good. Nice VOD test. Right, okay. Pressurization systems, primary and two lights off. Our landing altitude is around 40 feet around here in Soekarno Hatta. And QNH 1005 2967 set here. Alright. Our cabin temperature is around 30 degrees. I think it's quite hot inside, so better we request the air conditioning, so the passenger wouldn't angry when they are on board. Right.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
Engine power test.
Fire left engine. Fire right engine.
Right, okay. Outside. Fuel pump check. Crossfit check. Alright, crossfit check. Trim check. Manual trim check. Okay. 20,000 is Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo. Here's Romeo, here's Romeo, enter 40,000. Yes. Engine frequency is 1.155.
TCAS system test okay.
Alright, before we proceed, there's one thing left, which is testing the oxygen systems. Alright, that's good. Check the input there. And check for the left side also. Check all that is good. Alright, we're good. They request the boarding.
Boarding requested.
We finish the MCP first. Our expect departure via runway 25 left, so we're gonna set the course to 247 for the heading and for the right hand course.
Do you want to board crew?
Nobody, everyone is already on board.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Passengers boarding started.
Flight number 567. Origin is India.
Departure check completed. Bypass pin inserted. Looking gear.
Welcome on board.
Balance the fuel. We check the flight plan. Thread fuel is 12,100.
Good afternoon.
Taxi fuel is 800. Thread fuel is 23,000. So the restricted takeoff weight is, we'll check first. This is the India. From the 25 for departure, mission drive, we check the weather. The weather in Soekarno Hatta is variable 3, so 03 knots. Temperature 2 8, pH 1015. Let's check. So there's no takeoff station. So just set the maximum takeoff weight, which is 160,000 for MD-83, and we message as we wait for the HRs to come up. Alright, the crew message come up. So we need to set up the weight first. So zero fuel weight is going to be 112.7. 112.7. Gravity is 13.9. So we set 13.9 here, and we're going to use flex 11 for our departure. Alright, set up the flight camera. GPS position is good. 8:18:26. Origin Whiskey India. Departure Whiskey India is Soekarno Hatta, and arrival is going to be Lombok, Whiskey Alpha Delta 5. Departure runway 25 left, and we're going to use Charlie Alpha 2 Charlie departure via airway Tango 3 to Bravo Alpha and Tango 19 into Sofka.
Hello.
Rifle wireless. Okay, enough. Runway 31 for Awong, and star is Sofka.
Good afternoon.
Sofka 1 Delta runway 31. Sofka 1 Delta is checked. Right, Charlie Alpha November Bravo, and then Alpha November Yankee, and then Bravo Alpha. Yankee, and then
This way.
Bravo Alpha. It's gonna be Aguda and Sefka.
Hello.
Alpha Golf from Delta Alpha,
Hello.
and then Sefka. Skip. We check the central X first. Bravo or pick up total of Hotel 5 Mike, Nuren, Whiskey, Sierra Charlie Alpha, November Yankee, Bravo Alpha, Aguda, Sefka, Pampukas, Full Radar,
This way.
Sutel, Nabi, Renu, and Awang. Okay, okay. The distance is 685
This way.
and in the flight plan is 686, so it's absolutely good. Earth init or cruise range is 1236 knots, and the cruise speed is going to be
This way.
457 from the flight plan. Alright, flight plan is set. So Bemlo is 220 3000s or 220 5000s or 220 9000s, and then into Nuren flight level 140. So we set 140 here will be our intermediate altitude.
Welcome on board.
For directors. So that is 250 knots. Alright. Alright, departure briefing. Departure briefings. Use runway 25 left for departure. Our position is Charlie 13, so we're gonna push back facing to the west. Okay, Sierra Charlie forward. And then after that we're gonna taxi out for Sierra Papa 1, presumably into Sierra 1 to 25 left. But we have ground, so that grounds is online, so we need to contact him to get our clearance and so on. Departure briefing, Charlie Alpha to Charlie. Once we obtain our takeoff clearance, we line up and check the configurations. Set takeoff buttons on, throttles on, check the engine instruments. After climb and 80 knots, we check unless we have engine failure, wind shear, or unsafe to fly. I'm gonna abort, and once I say abort, we disconnect the auto throttles, set the deploy the reverse thrust, and then also grab the speed brakes, deploy the speed brakes, and we stop on the runway, or we're gonna assess afterward. If we are unable to taxi out of the runway, then I'm gonna say stop, set the parking brake, and run the evacuate non-normal checklist. Alright, after 80 knots, unless those conditions met, we continue to fly and maintain the configuration until 400 feet. After that, after having positive rates, 400 feet clears up and throw the engine out routing. Engine out routing is straight on to runway centerline, extended centerline, which is 247, and contact the ATC after that. You have any threats for departures? Okay, if not, then we'll continue. We received the load sheet already. So 0 plus with 113.5 is quite high. 113.5. Netto is 13.1. That's 11. Long trim is 6.5. I'm gonna contact the ATC for clearance, and after that we run our before start checklist, okay? Alright. So ground Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo with you.
Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo, go ahead.
So ground Papa Charlie Romeo, selamat sore. Stand number Charlie 13 request EFR down to Lombok level 350 via flag on en route 114 POB.
Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo, standby.
Standing by Papa Charlie Romeo. Okay, we're gonna run the before start checklist. Before start checklist, cockpit door locks, check on normal, document maintenance locks, check on board, circuit breakers all in, light switch on and lock, console indicator panel switch, standby, predator recorder. Predator recorder is set. Day is 18 month 0156 forward. Leg 1 insert and type of wake is 136 forward.
Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo, clear TFR to Lombok via Bridge Alpha to Charlie, run 125 left, initial climb to 900, squawk 5456.
Clear to destinations Lombok level 350, initial 290, departure runway 25 left, Sierra Alpha 2 Charlie, and cell number 5656, Papa Kilo Oscar Charlie Romeo.
Negative, set squawk 5456.
Roger, 5456 squawk number, Papa Charlie Romeo.
Read backpack, contact when ready for push and start.
Report you when ready for push and start, Papa Charlie Romeo, thank you. Right, we obtain our clearance. Squawk number 45456.
Papa Kilo Charlie Romeo, squawk mode Charlie please.
Roger, Papa Romeo. Our initial level is 290. Okay. Alright. We'll start checklist. Load line. Flight data recorder is set. Instrument set. HBS check and normal. Wind test check. Jet reset on. Brake power is on. AC/DC cross tie. Auto and open emergency power switch. Check and arm. Anti-skid check. Stall test check. Maximum speed warning test check. Knock trim component is normal. Your damper is on. Everything shut off. Check. Cabin pressure is set. Fuel quantity and pump quantity is 23,000. Pump is off. Engine lights is arm. Most pulley seatbelt switch are seatbelt switches on. Heat set to cap. Inside NTI set. Engine shatter and digital lights set. Flight current panel is set. Out switch. Auto TRI and rad. TRI takeoff. Rad is 27. Fuel use is reset. Engine instrument check. Hydraulic system hide and off. Brake temperature check normal. Brake brakes set. Pressure is 3000. Brake instrument set. Radars transponder TCAS. Tires off. Transponders mode Charlie, Tara, and set to above. Spoilers disarm. Radio joy control power. Dead point throttle check. Fuel crossfit is off. Cabin altitude control valves open. Gear pins on board. Emergency equipment check. oxygen cylinder is checked. Oxygen main center phone is checked. FMS set. Wing heater switch arm, ship papers standby. Alright, we already received our log sheet, so we're gonna perform our takeoff performance calculations. So takeoff weight is gonna be 136. 136. Weather check. 3203 knots now. 20 at 3 knots. Temperature is 28. Kinetic 1005 is good. Flaps 11. Can you use flaps 11 for takeoff? So calculate flaps 11. Cell temperature 49. Out switch set to off. Take a flex. Flex temp 49 is set. So we're gonna have our EPR takeoff is 187. Tebak set. V1136, rotate 141, V2150, flap retraction 155, start traction 194, and clean speed 239. All good. We set our PMS, cost index 15. And course weight is 136 forward. Fuel is 23,000. That is 605. We're gonna cruise level 350, wind component 5 knots, and ISA def is 14 plus 14 is 7. Okay. Alright, before start, checklist below the line. Ship papers on board, zero fuel ES back is set, assume temperature check 49, flap takeoff selector 11, stable take position display is 6.5, stabilizer set, crew briefing complete, and we are ready to push and start. Before we forget, we turn on the APU, guys. Alright, all good and set. Ground, please disconnect the air conditioning unit. And fuel pump is on. Alright, APU power is available. Turns on the APU. And power switch off. And we dismiss the GPU now. And we request our pushback clearance. Ground Papa Charlie, Romeo requests push and start clearance from Charlie 13.
Papa Kilo Charlie Romeo, push and start approval as expect.
Say again, Papa Charlie Romeo.
Papa Kilo Charlie Romeo, push and start approved, expect Sierra Charlie 6.
Push and start proof facing Sierra Charlie 6, Papa Charlie Romeo. Alright, pushing lights on, and we request ground clearance for pushing. is Sierra Charlie 6.
Release parking brakes.
Alright, for pushback checklist, indication lights is on. Okay, brakes, release, brake pressure.
Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
Pitch lever is open. Shut off. The power's off. The air is on. And turn off the air conditioning first. Block of time is 23, so 3 minutes late. Wow, look at this glamorous airplane, guys. Alright, engine area clear. We are clear to start from the right side. Right side for second check. And 2. And 1. And oil pressure. Turn on the right. Another AGT forward start. That's good.
Set parking brakes.
Close ignition check. System check. Good. Okay. Brakes up.
Waiting for confirmation for good engine start.
We're still starting the left sides. We are clear to disconnect. Make sure the electrical panel switches are closed and give the signal from the right side. Bye bye.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
And 1. Oil pressure. And start the left. To the AGT forward start.
Unlocking gear.
Okay, that's good. So close. System check. 4.15. Engines off. Okay, after start checklist.
Tow truck disconnected.
Checklist.
Bypass pin removed.
Ignition is off. Aircon is off. Place auto.
Left is clear. Right is clear.
Power equipment release. Release and remove. Filter system check. The power is on. Info NTI is set. Short system high. Alright, electrical hydraulic pump is on. You can hear the voice. Engine panel is checked. Checklist. Text checklist, please. Flaps 11, flight control check. Flap. Go down. Go right. Left. Neutral, rudder full right. Left. That's good. Alright, taxi checklist. Taxi checklist, taxi lights. Taxi lights, please on. Flaps 11 takeoff. 11 takeoff. Flight control check. Takeoff data PRI. Takeoff data V1136, rotate 141, feet 150, flight 155, set 194, pitch 239, south of G49, take flights APR 187, please select initial 290, take the complete, take warning, solid safety air is off, please level is set, checklist complete, we request our taxi clearance. Ground Papa Charlie Romeo, ready for taxi.
Papa Charlie Romeo taxi to holding point Sierra 1, runway 25 left via Sierra Charlie 6, Sierra Papa 1. Sierra Charlie 1.
Take shot Sierra 1 to 5 left via Sierra Charlie 6 and Sierra Papa 1 into Sierra 1 Papa Charlie Romeo. Right's clear, left is clear. It's quite late, guys, around 10 minutes from our schedule departure, but yeah, it's okay. This plane's never be easy. There's so much aspect that we need to take care of that we can barely move, so yeah, just enjoy. Alright, turn left into Sierra Charlie 6. Taxi down to runway 25 left. Cargo Terminal Soekarno Hatta International Airport. And why the system's quite a bit lagging today. It is not usual, to be honest. Don't know why. Position please, thank you. We approaching Sierra 1. Into runway 25 off. Ground Papa Charlie Romeo on shot Sierra 125 left.
Papa Kilo Charlie Romeo, contact Tower 11X decimal 2.
Contact Tower 1 decimal 2, Papa Charlie Romeo. Goodbye, Mamas. Thank you. So Tower Papa Charlie Romeo on Sierra 125 left.
Papa Charlie Romeo, continue line up 25 left, wind 3203 knots, KLH 100424, left for takeoff.
Clear up runway 25 left to take off runway 25 left, KLH 1005, Papa Charlie Romeo. Right. Checklist, please. Checklist. So panel check, parts lights is off, ignition, system A, the temperature check, radars on, transport the customs above, giving 2 bells, still light is set. Checklist complete. Wow, look at that gleaming runway 25 left, guys. About 3.6 kilometers length. Wind is quite calm, so I think we are good. Alright, and up. Stop a bit. We check everything first. We're good. To chrono, and we are PPR 1.15. Stabilize. Goes on. Brake release. Takeoff power is set.
Takeoff thrust set.
The life indication normal.
Climb.
Check.
80 knots.
Check.
Rotate. Positive rate.
Passenger Romeo passing direct I-1066, purple DTC for
Gear up. Lights out.
Departure.
Set.
Climb thrust set.
Switch in decom decimal, next decimal, 1 to decimal, and see you next departure, mas. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Check.
Flap 0.
Autopilot.
Slats retracted.
scenery, guys. Right, after the takeoff checklist, fueling time is good. Good is 3. Review off. Ignition is set. Review off. Ignition off. Check. Still switch still on. I'll switch auto. Lights up. Alright, signal pumps. On off. Stop slow. And after the checklist, above the line is complete. We are tracking Charlie Alpha. Tailwind around 20 knots. It's always good to have this tailwind, but it also affects your landing performance as well.